Hi everybody, welcome back. I have a new video for you, but first I need to do something here. Brian G, here's a cup of coffee for you, my friend. Oh yeah, and in the Millennium Falcon cup. All right, that should keep us going through today. Okay, so I have an idea in my mind about my next car build that I want to do, and I have a finish that I want to try. So I thought I'd practice. And what I've decided I'm going to do is I want to paint wood onto the car. So I went around the internet a little bit, and I took this idea along with a couple other people's, but for the most part this comes from LPJ Models, which is an excellent channel. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll put a link to his channel in the description down below. If you're not subscribed to him, you should. He is an excellent builder. He does lots of different things, but he has a fantastic channel. But so what I did was, this is an oil painting technique, then sprayed with well, in this case, splashes Kandy colors, and then I put a 2K clear over that. So what I want to show you is essentially trying to perfect painting wood grain. Okay, so these are my test spoons. Sorry, I'm like at a loss of words for today. This has an orange Kandy color over it. I think this actually turns out really well. Look at that shine on it. Again, the base. So I started off with, well, this one's actually had a black primer put on it. The other spoons all have a gray primer. I sprayed Tamiya's Deck Tan, or Wood Deck, I think it's called, or whatever it was, over the gray primer. And then I mixed up several different colors of ratios of burnt umber, raw sienna, yellow ochre, and ultramarine blue, all in oil colors. I then painted those onto the spoon, then took a ratty brush, something that kind of looks like this, all right, something really irregular, and then essentially wiped the oil paint off of the spoon. Okay, and each time I made a pass, I cleaned the brush, made sure it was clean, right, and I wasn't recontaminating the streaks. Kept them all going in essentially one direction with some little wiggles and things like that, like regular wood grain would look. Then I allowed that to dry, allowed the oil paint to dry, which, because it's so thin, it dried within an evening, essentially. I then put an oil-based matte varnish over that and allowed that to dry for a day. I then sprayed, well, in this case, splash paints, orange Kandy color over this particular spoon, so the orange over this one. Okay, and then put a 2K clear over that, so it's nice and durable. This one was yellow, so over a gray primer, yellow. Again, essentially the same technique. I did vary how much paint I removed just to give it a little difference. I think I actually like the yellow. This one was red. I think the grains in that one look really good. And then this one, I actually kind of like too. This one is root beer. A little darker, but I think it actually has a nice color to it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Which color do you guys like? I'll run through them again. So here's the orange and the yellow. Yeah, you can see that. And then the red and the root beer. Let me know what you guys think. I will put up at the end of the video some stills of the process, plus what the palette colors look like. I have a picture of that. I'll put those up there. And if anybody's actually interested in seeing me do a video on this particular technique, let me know and I can do that. Again, I will put a link in the description for LPJ models so you can see what he did. It was a little bit different than the way I did it, but essentially basically the same in a certain sense. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Like to hear your thoughts on the process and which colors you actually like. Again, I'm kind of leaning towards the yellow and the root beer. I think both of those actually I think turned out really well. So again, I hope everybody's doing well. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, especially the old ones who have stuck around, and the new ones that I've picked up over the last week. I'm now over 520 subscribers to my channel. So again, thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate it. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Oh, I do have some good news before I forget. Starting Sunday, when I go back to work, I'll be working on day shift. I am no longer a night shift owl anymore. I will be back on days. So my hours are changing. Hopefully my productivity will go back up a little bit more and be able to get a little bit more done. Anyway, so again, everybody have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.